Hello everyone. Welcome to Arpita's Tech Corner. In this video, we are going to start with our journey with SQL. Let's start with some initial understanding of SQL. What is SQL? So, SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and SQL is a programming language also. So, which is used to define and query the databases. And last is SQL is one of the most used languages. Okay. Now, why do we need SQL? Using Excel or Access, we can store data, but there is a size limitation. So, using SQL database, we can work on massive amounts of data and multiple tables and columns. Okay. So, we can efficiently control the structure of data. Finally, it helps to analyze the data and plays a vital role as a backend system for many front-end applications. So that means there are many front-end application, but the backend is a database because we need some area where we can store the data. Now in the database, how you will query the data? You have to use this SQL language. Okay, so in our next videos, we'll learn about how we can install a SQL database and how we can create database schema, how we can create tables, and so on. So keep so stay with me and thank you. Thanks for watching.